Dear students, very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. Today's our offline class is about the human excretory system, the structural and functional unit of the kidneys, that is the nephron. Nephron or uriniferous tubule is a structural and functional unit of kidney. Each nephron consists of two parts, the glomerulus and the renal tubule. Number A, glomerulus. It is a tuft of capillaries formed by the branching of afferent arteriole, which is a fine branch of renal artery. Glomerular capillaries, glomerular capillaries joint form efferent arteriole. Number B, renal tubule. It begins with Bowman's capsule, which encloses glomerulus. Now, Bowman's capsule. It is blind double-walled cup-shaped structure. The two walls of Bowman's capsule are inner visceral and outer parietal. Both are single layered and are supported over basement membrane. Our first visceral layer or the inner part. It consists of flat squamous epithelial cells on the periphery and specialized podocytes in the remaining part. A podocyte has a number of interdigitated evaginations called pedicles or feet. The pedicles rest over the basement membrane. They enclose slit pores or filtration slits. Number second is parietal layer, that is the outer wall. It consists of flat squamous epithelium. The space between the two layers of Bowman's capsule is called lumen or capsular space. Malpighian body or renal corpuscle. Glomerulus, along with Bowman's capsule, is called Malpighian body or renal corpuscle. Now, proximal convoluted tubule (PCT). Lower part of Bowman's capsule leads into PCT. The latter is present in the cortex. It is highly coiled and surrounded by peritubular blood capillaries. PCT is lined by cuboidal epithelium having brush borders with long microvilli for increasing absorptive area. The cells contain abundant mitochondria and food reserve for providing energy to perform active absorption and secretion. Now, loop of Henle. It is hairpin loop-like tubular part of nephron which descends into renal medulla. Loop of Henle is made of two parallel limbs joined by curved base. there is a descending limb and an ascending limb. Now, distal convoluted tubule DCT. The ascending limb of Henle's loop continues as DCT. DCT is highly coiled part of nephron and lies close to Malpighian body. Now, collecting ducts. The DCTs of many nephrons open into a straight tube called collecting duct, many of which converge and open into the renal pelvis through medullary pyramids in the calyces. Collecting ducts enter medulla and form ducts of Bellini. Vasa recta. The efferent arteriole emerging from the glomerulus forms a fine capillary network around the renal tubule called peritubular capillaries. A minute vessel of this network runs parallel to the Henle's loop, forming a U-shaped vasa recta. Vasa recta is absent or highly reduced in cortical nephrons. Now, the types of nephrons. There are two types, namely cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons. Cortical nephrons. In majority of nephrons, the loop of Henle is too short and extends only very little into the medulla. Such nephrons are called cortical nephrons. Now, second type of nephron, juxtamedullary nephrons. In some of the nephrons, the loop of Henle is very long and runs deep into the medulla. These nephrons are called juxtamedullary nephrons. This is the diagrammatic representation of a nephron showing blood vessels, duct and tubule. The various parts are labeled. You can see the efferent arteriole, glomerulus, then the Bowman's capsule, then downwards you can see the Henle loop, upper part, that is the descending limb of loop of Henle, and there is the ascending limb of loop of Henle, then there is vasa recta, and you can see from the top efferent arteriole, then there is proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule, cortex medulla, and then there is the collecting duct. This was all about today's offline class. Thanks.